Hey guys, how's it going? So yeah, I know it's been a little while since my last video, but do you know what? I've been busy, okay? Funnily enough, the whole world doesn't revolve around you, so yeah, just back off. So today we're gonna go on a little culture trip and see some temples. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh, but Jay, I thought you were all about rainbows and grabbing ass. Well, that's not true, okay? Bangkok is home to some of the most beautiful temples in the world, and we're gonna go see them. So the first temple is called Wat Arun, which translates to Temple of Dawn, which literally sounds like something out of a movie. So yeah, very excited. So I've heard the most scenic route to the temple is to go to Safin Taksin BTS station and then take the ferry across the river, which I'm really looking forward to because I haven't actually been on the ferry here yet. So yeah, come. Just jumped off the train and I'm on my way to the ferry. I've got very high hopes, so yeah, let's have a little look-see. Okay, so I'm just in line to go onto the ferry right now. If you're wondering, that cost me 15 baht. 15 baht for a ferry ride. That's a good price. Enjoy. Don't stop now. So I've just got off the ferry. That was exhilarating. That was actually really fun. I suggest you try it sometime. I think it's about to go now. Yeah, bye. Next stop, I'm going to try and find this temple. I don't actually know where it is. I mean, it could be that behind me, but I could be wrong. This place is amazing, really nice. Quick word to the wise though, the steps to the top are actually really steep, so if you've got a little fear of heights, maybe just observe it from the ground floor. I just got blessed by a monk. He tied this white ribbon on my wrist, he splashed water in my face, and then at the end of the prayer he just went, "Good luck." I'll take it.